Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into a new feature that was just rolled out, which is Apple Pay. Finally, we have the ability to go in and actually accept payment through Apple Pay directly inside of your funnels. Now, disclaimer here, this only works with the new updated checkout elements, not the legacy, so keep that in mind. But anyways, let's go and dive over to my screen here, and I'll walk you through the process of actually setting it up and enabling that in your workspace. Now, the first thing that we need to make sure is true here is that you have Payments AI set up and ready to go. And that there is a actual payment gateway set up to process payments, whether that's Stripe or Payments AI directly, totally up to you. But as long as that's set up and good to go, you should be totally fine. If you have that set up and ready to go, fantastic. You are good to go when it comes to setting this up. And what you need to do from that point is go over here to Workspace Settings. All right, click on that directly. After that, it'll show a whole new navigation on the left and a general settings page on the right side here. All right, now you can kind of see it here peeking on the bottom side of the screen, the bottom portion there. There's gonna be an option under payment settings, or right next to that, for Apple Pay. Just make sure that is toggled on and go down to the very bottom, click on Update Workspace, and you're good to go, at least for part one there. The second part of actually activating this is going to the funnel itself that you want to use this on. So we'll back out of here. From there, go to funnels. And once that loads, scroll down or go to the actual funnel you want to enable that for. Click on the gear icon to activate the funnel settings, and you'll see that new page load here. All right, now on the new page, you'll see an option right here for enabled billing payment types. Just make sure that Apple Pay looks just like this with a black background and a white font. If it does, awesome, you're good to go. If it looks like this, that means it's not selected, it's not good to go. Just click on it once, it'll enable it, and then just scroll to the very bottom or click on Update Funnel in the top right or bottom right side of the settings page here. All right, that is it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around this process at all, feel free to let me know. Just to expand a little bit on Payments AI, if you're not sure what I'm referring to, there's an app directly inside of your account called Payments AI, and it looks like this right here, right? If you do not have that set up, make sure to start with this first, and then follow along with the training that we just did right now. All right, to find the app and actually start, or actually add that to your workspace, click on the little plus icon next to Apps. It'll take you to the App Center inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, and you just want to look for Payments AI. It's going to look just like this. Click on it directly. It will then take you through the setup process to get connected and make sure your business is set up properly and all that fun stuff to actually accept payment. All right. With that set up, then you're good to follow this training and you'll be all set to go. All right. Again, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions around ClickFunnels Classic or 2.0 or Payments AI or setting this up inside of your workspace, feel free to let me know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.